Good morning, everybody. Find me out on the river today in the kayak, chasing smallmouth. Been in the creeks lately, catching lots of them, 20, 30 fish in an outing, but nothing of size. So today's mission, quality smallmouth. Today is quality over quantity. Out here on the river is definitely the place to do it. Stick with me. Okay, we made a slight color change here on the whopper plopper. Let's see how this does us any good. Yep, there's one. That's a decent. Check that out, guys. It's a nice smallmouth. Not a giant, probably about 12 inches, but there's bigger ones out here. Thank you, buddy. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh. That was a last minute blow up there. I was almost getting ready to take it out of the water. We got one. Wow, this guy looks, wow, look at that. Dark spot on his head there, guys. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Maybe he has to switch lures. Look what is in his mouth. I don't know if y'all can see that there's a crayfish in there. A beautiful fish, second one of the day. See if there's a couple more hanging out here. All right, guys, that's it. Didn't find either quality or quantity out here on the river today. Just a struggle. The front that came through last night really just shut them off. Just those two fish. Had a couple other little blow-ups on the whopper ploppers, but that was about it. Not the day I'd hoped for. Hopefully I'll be able to get back out here again soon and get some quality fish in before winter. If you like this video, shoot me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.